Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna do a full review of the newly launched OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2, which is a successor of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, which was launched a couple of years ago. In this video, we're gonna check out the Bullets Wireless Z2, and yeah, if you're interested in this particular topic, then make sure to stick till the end. With that said, let's hit that intro. It's getting super hot nowadays, so I'm gonna make this pretty quick. And yeah, these are the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. I unboxed them, so in the box you will get the earphones. Obviously, you'll get some extra ear tips, some documentations, and a USB-C cable, because these have a USB Type-C port to charge them, and they support fast charge. But I think you will need a OnePlus charger for that, because they support dash charge. So yeah, that's a thing. But I use my Samsung PD charger, 25 watt one, and yeah, it charges fairly quickly, and the battery life is also quite insane. So the battery life is also quite insane. I am using this since the past 5 or 6 days, and I charged them on the day that it arrived, and I have lost like 30%. Till now it's on 70%, and it's been like 6 or 7 days. So yeah, the usage has been pretty good. You don't need to worry about battery life. You're easily gonna get 25 plus hours of battery life with these, which is pretty amazing. And yes, this is the USP this year for these earbuds, because the build quality is pretty good as usual. The wires are pretty thick, they're not gonna break easily on you. The earbuds are very comfortable to wear, they fit really well in your ear. You have different sizes of ear tips present, so that you can adjust and like select whichever fits you the best. And yeah, they provide good amount of noise isolation when they are in your ear. And the console or these bands, okay, these have the controls in them. We have a volume up and down buttons, and we have a multifunction button which can be used to play or pause the music, or you can also turn on pairing mode with that particular button, and you can also skip tracks with it. So it does everything. The skip tracking could have been integrated in the volume buttons, but nevertheless, one major feature that is missing from these earbuds compared to the original Bullets Wireless Z is the quick switch option. So there's no quick switch available, at least I couldn't find anything in the manual. Or so if you like follow the channel, you'll see that I have already reviewed the Oppo Enco M32s recently, and those earbuds are very similar to this in terms of design and features, and those had that what should I say, the quick switch feature. But these don't have that, although these cost more than those. And yeah, that pretty much brings me to the audio quality. So the Bullets Wireless Z2 have 12.4mm drivers in them, which are pretty much the biggest drivers OnePlus has ever put in any earbuds. And honestly, those help in producing very loud music, but the audio imaging and the audio signature is not that great. It is very bass heavy, and everything becomes bass heavy. Whatever you're listening to, whether you're watching movies, music, whatever you're doing, everything becomes bass heavy. And the bass output is not that good either. It is not very clear. So in the Oppo Enco M32s, the bass was so good, it was so crisp and so accurate that it like literally gave you energy when you're listening to your music. But these don't do that. These sometimes sound muddy, and yeah, they are not very good in terms of audio quality. Yes, the bass lovers will like it, but the curated users, okay, who like bass, but they need it to be tuned very well, and it needs to hit every beat very precisely. That's not going to happen on these, which happened on the M32. The M32s were also bass heavy, but it did not interfere with other stuff, and the bass was very accurate and very satisfying. But yes, I don't like the audio quality coming from these. These are very bass heavy, and they don't really like fare well in terms of audio quality compared to other earbuds. So the OnePlus Buds Z2 retail for about 2000 rupees, and the Oppo Enco M32 retail for about 1800 rupees. So I would say save 200 bucks and get the Enco M32. Basically those have the same these functions, this particular magnetic function. So if you like remove these, okay, detach these, so they will turn on and they will get connected to whichever device was last connected to them. And if you just put them together, they will get disconnected, and like they will go into some kind of power saving mode, you can say. This was also present on the N32s, and this is a very convenient feature honestly, and it works really well. But apart from this, I would say if you're getting it for the audio quality, don't get these. Okay, the battery life on these is pretty good. If you care about battery life, you can definitely get these. The build quality is definitely better compared to the previous Bullets Wireless Z and also the Oppo Enco M32. But if you care about somewhat good sounding audio with good battery life, then I would say go ahead and buy the Enco M32. You can get it for like around 1500 rupees sometimes, which is a great price for those earphones. And yeah, those also give you about 25 hours of battery life, which is pretty insane honestly. So yeah, overall I would say these are good, but these are a little lower price for what they are offering. And yeah, they have a quick pairing feature, but only with OnePlus phones. With regular phones you have to turn on Bluetooth settings and then go ahead and pair it, which is another hassle. So yeah, they could have given Google Fast Pair in this one, which would have been way more integrated. And there's no aptX or LDAC or anything like that on these. They only have AAC and SBC support for the codecs, and yeah, that's about it. Alright, so this audio is being recorded from the mics of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2, and yeah, this is how it sounds. Right now my ceiling fan is on, so there might be a bit of disturbance, but yeah, this is how it will sound in normal conditions on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. So this review was kind of rushed because I don't really have much time and it's too hot. So yeah, this is my quick review of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. And yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification to stay notified about my new uploads. The links to purchase this will be down in the description. Use those. Those are my affiliate links. It helps channel. And yeah, that's about it from my side. This is your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out.
I grew up around the dope dealers, cold-blooded killers. I just never hesitate to go and put a hold on you. Whole things, I done seen them whole things. Living life lavish, yeah. Different car, same country, different